Hey, good. Rama. Back again for another ride. Let's walk.
You guys continue. Just right, go. I'll catch you up.
Okay. So this time we're back with our dinner ride. Probably it's going to be a night ride. So because of the summer, we're not doing any day rides or the early morning rides, which we usually do it. It's damn hot in the morning. Not be able to go out in the sun wearing all these riding gears. So the challenging factor is to ride at night, provided you have a riding at night is fun, equally risky as well. That's because of the visibility, of course. As long as you have good roads with the markings and the stickering done on the roads, also a good lighting, good to have a good branded focus lights fitted on your bike. And a day-night a visor on your helmet. So the destination is arrived. I'm not sure we're gonna get any food. It's already late night.